Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Tipm in a Dodge Ram 2500. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your battery's negative cable. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts during the process. Next, gather your tools. You will need a ratchet, 10mm and 13mm sockets, and a flathead screwdriver. Finally, confirm you have the correct replacement totally integrated power module for your truck, as compatibility is key for a successful swap. Now, let's remove the old Tipm. Begin by unscrewing the 13mm nut on the power post and gently pulling the cable free. Next, locate the retaining tabs that secure the Tipm to its bracket. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully disengage these. Once released, rotate the entire Tipm assembly upwards to expose the electrical connectors underneath. Take your time to unplug each connector by depressing its locking tab and rotating the arm until it is completely free. With the old unit out, it is time to install your new Tipm. Carefully plug each electrical connector into its corresponding port on the new module, ensuring every connection clicks securely into place. Next, align the new Tipm with its mounting bracket and firmly push it down until the retaining tabs engage. Reconnect the power post cable and tighten the 13mm nut. Finally, reattach your battery cables, starting with the positive, then the negative terminal. After installation, a soft reset is often needed. Turn your ignition key to the run position, but do not start the engine. Leave it in this position for at least 120 seconds. During this time, you might see various dashboard lights flash, which is completely normal as the system reconfigures. After 2 minutes, turn the ignition off, then restart your vehicle. Verify that all electrical features, like lights and wipers, are now working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.